This is one of the last big ones. It might be the last big one actually. On the side of the Grosvenor Arms there, we've got Mind 49, which is from 2024. Quite unusual. Got a horse, portrait of a woman and a swan. Got the top of the swan's wing coming up above the top of the horse there, which I hadn't seen before. Eyes are fantastic on that. Somewhere on this estate is a 7th pencil. I'm not sure where. Oh, so 2023, this one.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
So we're heading into the park just the other side there now, which is alongside the River Severn. We're going to catch the last few bits and maybe stick the drone up in the air. I just caught the SkyHigh Roo just through the trees there. You probably can't see it because you're on a wide angle and it's far away. There's a few last bits in there including that. We'll catch those and then that'll be the end. So I can't quite figure out how to get into the park properly, so I'm going to climb over here. Trying not to get impaled. Got filthy. So we're just coming around to this SkyHigh and Roo collab, which was from 2024, last year. Oh nice, it's an SMO will smile more often. Didn't mean to do that. Love that torn paper edge there and the folds in it. SkyHigh and Roo could have been done by one person, they go well together. So this is the last little section of wall. Adam Mills. That's really nice. I've seen a photo of this, but it doesn't do it justice. Eye mixed in with the landscape. That's really nice. Shauna Anseo, previously Shauna Blanchfield. Got the hands holding the fire. Darios Santos art. Nice blue whale. Good Honest Fun sign painting by Rouse Signs. That's really nice, like that. This one is Ella Rose 73. This is beautiful, can't see a tag on it. Reminds me of a wall from Brave One locally with a dove and the earth on it. Let me see if I can find out who this is quickly. Joshua, Darios Santos, possibly Joshua. Oh no, Rouse Signs we've got already. Muralminded, it looks like. So all of these are from last year, 2024. Cole Stimpson. Pretty sure that's a powder puff girl. This looks like Zed in the Clouds, yep. Chroma Chameleons, that is. Loddy HCA. Rensiel. Sorry if I'm butchering the names here. Said in the Clouds again. Not sure who the Bodhi's from. This is from Title. Extremely nice, look at that. Sweetheart Street art. This is nice for the park because it's got all the like foliage around the outside. Try and catch it from the other side of the tree so you don't get the glare from the sun. And the last one, it's like Kodo Art NI. Don't know who the silhouette of the girl with the teddy is by. Oh, there is one more wall, but it looks like it might be completely covered with foliage. Hopefully not, because I've seen a picture of this and it's amazing. So this is from 2022, it's Snot 1 and Sphere 3. I don't think we're going to see anything of it other than little tiny glimpses peeking up from behind the bushes. We'll see if we can get in amongst all of that without getting stung or ripped apart. There are loads of stinging nettles on there as well. Looks like there's a Z in the Clouds over there as well, potentially. Yeah, it's been grown over, which is kind of fitting because it's got all that kind of jungly vibe in the background. You've got trees and stuff on it, so it kind of works well. It's a bit of a shame that you can't see it at all. I'll try and find a picture of this and stick it up on the top. Yeah, it's out in the Clouds there. So that's it, my trip to Worcester is finished. Hopefully I've clipped all the videos together well and you've enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think, drop a comment, let me know what your favourite piece was, and let me know what you think of this style of video. So Southend City Jam's coming up at the end of the month. I'm painting and we'll be doing a bit of a tour video from that as well. If you're around in Southend or Essex at the end of the month, 29th through till whatever the end of the month is, the 1st of September, that weekend, pop down Southend. I'll be in Warrior Square, so it'd be good to see you. That's it. Drop me a comment, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.